How to make Roblox bundles updated 2025. Most people get this wrong, but creating Roblox bundles in 2025 is actually straightforward once you know the steps. You won't believe how easy it is to combine items and boost your avatar style or market value. First, log into your Roblox account and open the avatar editor. Navigate to the Bundles section. Bundles are essentially pre-packaged sets of accessories, clothing, and animations that appear as one item in the catalogue. Next, choose the items you want to include. You can mix hats, shirts, pants, faces, and even emotes. Keep in mind that bundles perform best when items are themed or complementary. For example, pairing a futuristic helmet with matching armor and gloves creates a cohesive look. Once you've selected your items, click Create Bundle or Add to Bundle depending on your interface. Name your bundle clearly and add a description. Descriptions help buyers understand the theme or purpose of your bundle, which is essential if you plan to sell it in the Roblox catalogue. After creating the bundle, check its preview. Make sure items align correctly on your avatar and animations display smoothly. Adjust if necessary. Then, set a price if you're listing it for sale. Prices in Roblox vary depending on rarity, demand, and the total number of items in the bundle. Finally, publish your bundle. It will now appear in your inventory and, if set for sale, in the Roblox catalogue. Promote your bundle by sharing it with friends or in Roblox groups to maximize visibility. In conclusion, making Roblox bundles involves selecting themed items, creating a package, naming and describing it properly, previewing, pricing, and publishing. With these steps, you can create bundles that stand out, whether for personal use or to sell to the Roblox community.